Where do you do yoga?
I don't have those colorful yoga pants, so I'm wearing these ones.
Oh, okay. Are you good at yoga?
Well, not good, but try. But people who are good, when you see them, you think that will come.
How flexible are you?
I'm flexible, yeah. But yeah, you're right. Running, I'm doing like twice a week now.
And then,
So,
and it's fine. It's not too bad. Yeah. The thing about these is you need to manage it, but you should be able to continue life, right? You shouldn't stop with it. It's only when it gets really painful.
I told you, like, I'm down my foot all day.
Yeah, I remember. How's business?
Yeah,
Good. I should say that. I should explain to them more why mummy is, yelling at their faces to pick up that rice.
5.
Yeah.
And he was there at 6 o'clock. So I'm like, half an hour. Yeah. And when I called him, he was, oh, I'm just coming out of McDonald's.